Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Open the Word file and go to File, then Options, then General. You want to focus on the Personalize section because that controls Office Theme. Once there, look for Office Theme and note whether it's set to black or dark gray. That's the main cause of dark appearance. Make sure you're editing the app's theme rather than a printer preview. If you don't see options, confirm you opened Word, not Word Online, and that you have editing permissions on this device. Now change the theme itself. Click the Office Theme drop-down and choose white or colorful to revert to a light interface. Once done, make sure any Use System setting or Match Windows Theme option is disabled, because Windows Dark Mode can override Word. If the document text area still looks dark, go to Design or View and open Page Color to set a white background. Word can keep a dark UI but show a white page. Make sure to apply these changes and stay on this document while testing. Finish by closing and reopening Word so theme and page color fully apply. That often resolves lingering dark elements. If the file still shows a dark page, open Design, select Page Color, and choose white or no color to force a light document background. If nothing changes, make sure Windows isn't enforcing dark mode by going to Settings Personalization Colors and switching to light. Troubleshooting tip: sign out of Office and sign back in. Then repeat the theme change. This refreshes synced settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.